Start on the main home screen and tap the Tables icon. From the Tables view, select Table 1. In the pop-up menu, tap New Order. When the Enter Party Size prompt appears, enter 3 using the number pad and tap the blue checkmark. On the Register screen, scroll down the featured item list and tap Fajitas, Veggie. In the Options menu, select Corn Tortillas and the mild spice level. Tap the plus button at the bottom right to increase the quantity to 2, then tap Apply. Next, tap Enchiladas Rojas, 2 pieces, from the featured list. Select Chicken for the protein, mild for the spice level, and check the box for extra cheese. Tap Apply. Swipe horizontally across the top category tabs and select Quesadillas. Tap Quesadilla, Cheese. Choose Pico, mild, for the salsa and tap Apply. Tap the purple Save Order, $77.92 button in the top right corner. An order saved notification will appear, returning the view to the Tables screen where Table 1 displays the active balance. To process the first guest's payment, tap Table 1 to reopen the order. Tap the card icon at the bottom right, then tap the purple Pay button. On the payment screen, tap the Split Amount tab at the top right. Select the 3 ways button to divide the total evenly. The split amount will display as $25.97. Tap Pay. Under the cash payment options, tap the Quick Pay button for $25.95. Review the details on the Confirm Cash Payment pop-up and tap Confirm Payment. On the Payment Successful screen, tap the Pay More Later button in the bottom left corner. The screen will return to the Tables view. Table 1 remains active, but the balance has automatically updated to the remaining $51.95. When the remaining guests are ready to pay, tap Table 1 again. Open the cart and tap Pay. The screen defaults back to the Split Amount tab for the remaining balance. Select the 2 ways button to split the $57.03 in half, bringing the total to $28.52. Tap Pay. Under the cash options, tap the Quick Pay button for $28.50. Tap Confirm Payment on the pop-up. On the Payment Successful screen, tap the Next Payment button to immediately process the final guest's portion. The remaining balance of $28.51 will queue up. Tap Pay. Select the Quick Pay button for $28.50 under the cash options. Tap Confirm Payment. The final Payment Successful screen shows a remaining balance of $0. Tap Confirm. The view returns to the Tables screen, showing Table 1 is fully paid and cleared.